I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is MetForm. Select a form. Click Next. Now here search and select Selzy. Here, give the meaningful integration name as you want. To get the Selzy API key, click here. Now click Show Full and enter your password. Now copy the API key and paste it here. Click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Please choose an action from the drop-down list, subscribe or unsubscribe, based on your preference. Then select the list from the drop-down list that you have already created on your Selzy account. Then select a tag, or you can add multiple tags to the contact. Now map the field. Here are several advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Selzy. Then click Next. Now save the integration. Now go to your form and type some information. And submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Also, check your Selzy account if the data is going to Selzy list or not. Here is the data that came into Selzy through the Bit Integrations. Thanks for watching our video.